What up, what up, what up? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Fabulous followers. It is Vlogmas Day 9. Vlogmas Day 9. December 9th. Ooh, tragedy. That used to be an anniversary for me about 99 years ago. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, tell a friend to tell a friend. Let me know if you guys are appreciating my effort and all the turmoil my life is in right now. I'm still trying to bring you guys something. But come Tuesday, I think I'm going to be out of content. And so I really got to get into my brain and see what I can bring you guys for the next 10 days after so that we can try to complete Vlogmas with a bang. I'll be honest with you, I'll probably do some more where I do like 3 days just combined. I don't have a lot of stuff planned right now. My only planning is to get more into my physical fitness, my health and diet. I want to start a skincare routine. Um, and yeah, just determining what I'm going to do about whether I'm going to relocate and get a live-in vehicle so that I can get my grandbaby going off on a great foot. Am I going to stay put in Madison, which I do love, but I'm so far away, and just go on a leave or something like that? I don't know, because I literally want to give up my apartment and get another apartment. But if I'm going to stay here in Madison, that's going to look different. And honestly, as much as I don't want to move to Detroit, I also don't want to be this far away from my grandbaby. You know, especially in the first couple years of life. So it's a lot of stress and anxiety I'm under, just trying to do the best thing for my stability, my independence, my peace, and not put too much of a burden on my son, even though him and KJ's mom do want me to be there, be closer, be helpful. I just know that that would be a lot on him, trying to get a 3-bedroom in such a high cost of living city and state. So, a lot on my plate as far as that goes, but I just wanted to bring you guys along on my getting back into the gym journey. Again, my plan is going to be to try to go 3, 4 days a week. My best time is early mornings. I kind of get fatigued in the evening, but I can do my walks in the evening as well. I started paying attention to like what's on the machine so I can try and learn different ways to use the different equipments. And that's why I think eventually I'm going to get myself back to Planet Fitness, because then I can kind of get a trainer that will help me decide like what's good for the areas that I'm trying to lose in. One, my core, my stomach. We all know that. But I think I can work out 99 times a week. If I don't cut this sugar, the working out is not going to prove to be a hill of beans. So that's basically what you see me doing right there, trying to figure out what else I can do with the equipment to get better results. Um, but I'll be honest with you, my true focus right now is some upper body strengthening and losing my stomach. So I'm not going to bore you guys with a whole bunch of communication. Just know that today is a great day. It's beautiful out. The sun is shining. I'm planning on doing some editing like I'm doing right now. And then later on, I'm going to do my vision board. I have a Instacart order that'll be here. And then I have to make a determination if I'm going to cook or not. So Enjoy the rest of the video. I might actually speed it up a little bit or play some music. And just make sure you tell a friend, and come back tomorrow. Tomorrow's drop will be the 2024 vision board. So I really hope you guys check that one out. Leave a comment. Let me know that you're enjoying Vlogmas, what you would like to see some content around from Fabulous Facerland. And we're going to leave it as such.
Like, what you really on with a nigga? Like, for real. I told her if you try and be my bitch, then be my bitch. Yeah, I'm faithful, but when I ain't shit, girl, I ain't shit. You see me with that bitch, I seen you with that nigga, I ain't trippin'. I told her if you try and be my bitch, then be my bitch. I told her if you try and be my bitch, then be
come with this hot little lady.
I told her if you try and be my bitch, then be my bitch. Yeah, I'm faithful, but when I ain't shit, girl, I ain't shit. You see me with that bitch, I seen you with that nigga, I ain't trippin'. I told her if you try and be my bitch, then be my bitch. I told her if you try and be my bitch, then be my bitch. Yeah, I'm faithful, but when I ain't shit, girl, I ain't shit. You see me with that bitch, I seen you with that nigga, I ain't trippin'.
Rich. I know you bleed like I bleed, we feel the same pain. And if we ever choose a side, gon' be the same gang. With all these niggas switching up, it's hard to maintain. I know you with me, right or wrong, won't ever change lane. We gon' slide to the end, my brother, my guy. And
Alright, fabulous followers. I try to do at least 4 sets while I'm here, but I didn't want to make this video super long, so we're going to end it here. Namaste.